Hello and welcome to Flavors and Seasonings. Today's recipe is a very special one because I'm going to share how to make strawberry jam with you all. Strawberry jam is the most delicious and a yummy spread to eat with bread. This homemade strawberry jam is the best jam because it has no preservatives, no food color, no pectin, absolutely pure, and it stays good in your refrigerator for 3 to 4 weeks. The method to make this delicious jam is very simple. It takes very less time to make it. You just need fresh strawberries and your family will love it. So let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken fresh and firm organic strawberries, 2 pounds or approximately 900 grams. Remember, they should be firm. They should be hard enough. And then we require 2 cups of sugar. I've taken white granulated powdered sugar. We require lime juice, 2 tablespoons, cinnamon powder, ginger powder and allspice powder. We require half teaspoon each. These are all the ingredients. Let's get started with the process of making this delicious strawberry jam. So over here I have taken all my strawberries. I washed them, cleaned them and dried them nicely. I've chosen very tight and firm strawberries to make this jam. Now the next step is we need to cut each strawberry into 4 equal parts, hull them nicely so that it cooks in less amount of time while making jam. If you go with half or whole strawberries to cook the jam, it will take a lot of time. So like this, I'm showing you how to cut the strawberries. We need to remove the green part, the stems, the leaves, and then cut them nicely. I have cut all the strawberries over here. Now the next step is mixing sugar and lime juice into the strawberry and mixing it well, keeping it for 1 hour. This process is known as maceration. The process of maceration helps the fruits to release its juices and soften them. So we need to mix the sugar, lime juice and strawberry really well like this, and now I'm going to keep it for 1 hour so that it gets time to release its juices and the strawberry going to go very soft. Now you can see after 1 hour the strawberries have released their juices and it's really soft, and now it will be very easy for us to cook and it will take very less amount of time. See all the juices like this. So here I have transferred my strawberries in a heavy bottom pan. I have started to cook them on low to medium heat. While cooking the strawberries, we need to make sure of certain things. First, we need to constantly stir them so that it will not burn. Otherwise, it would stick at the bottom of your pan and will burn and destroy the whole jam, which we do not want. So keep stirring, it should not burn. Second, the heat should be on low to medium. Otherwise, again, the taste of the jam will not be good. We are constantly stirring this. Gradually the mixture will start to thicken, and normally this amount of strawberry takes 20 to 25 minutes to come to a cooked jam-like consistency mixture. So after 20-25 minutes you can see the mixture has started to thicken and it has become really thick and nice. It is fully cooked. At this stage, on low heat, I'm going to take a potato masher here and I'm going to mash it so that the large chunks will go away and the jam will be smooth. You can even take a hand blender and mash the chunks. So here I have mashed all the large chunks nicely and smoothened the jam. Now comes the turn of adding spices to it. I'm adding ginger powder, cinnamon powder and allspice powder, half teaspoon each. Adding these spices is completely optional, but I would like to add it because it enhances the taste of the jam, and makes it even more delicious. So mix it well, and then comes the turn of doing the jam test. So to do the jam test, just place a little jam at the back of the spoon. If it stays put, it doesn't move, it doesn't fall, that means your jam is done. Another way of doing it is the plate test. Put some jam on the plate, run the finger through in the middle of it. If it stays put, even if you are hindering the plate, if it stays put, doesn't fall, that means the jam is done. We need to cool the jam completely now before transferring it to the container. The jam should be absolutely cooled down before transferring it to the glass container. Here I have taken a sterilized glass mason jar, and it is airtight. I am transferring my cooked jam to it. You can store it around 3 to 4 weeks in your refrigerator. It stays nice and good. Even at room temperature, it stays good for around 1 week to 10 days. But I would recommend keeping it in the refrigerator so that it stays well for around 3 weeks or 4 weeks. So let me show you the consistency of this homemade strawberry jam by applying it on my bread. Look at this, the color is absolutely natural and it is so vibrant red. The taste is also very good, the aroma is exotic, and the best part it is that it is just preservative free with no food color, nothing of any artificial adulteration, and it gives really a good divine jam, I would say, because it's so tasty, so yummy, and everybody in your family will like it. I am damn sure about it. Just look at the consistency, it's so perfect. You will love making it. So guys, do try this recipe at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, share this recipe with your family and friends. I will be back soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay healthy. Thank you.